Hello, I'm Michael from Generation B.
And I'm Martina.
Today we are going to talk about our grooming oil for men. We have two different lines. We have Tempt and Entice. We also call these products inspired by the bees.
These are all natural, so everything that's in there will be all organic essential oils, and then also many different nourishing oils for your skin. And they're very easy to use, so you just dump a little bit into your hand, rub it in, and then rub it into your facial hair. You can also use it as an aftershave. You can use it in your hair as well.
Yes, I use it quite a bit as an aftershave, and it works very well, very smoothing, leaves your skin perfectly smooth.
And they have many different nourishing properties, so it's going to help if there's any sort of anti-inflammatory issues going on. It's going to soothe the skin. It's also going to nourish your facial hair. And trust me, ladies, you want your guy to have this. You will benefit from it as well.